Alright, here we go. Nothing but touch-ups. I'll give you a gist of what it looks like to do this. As you can see, trying to make it as bright as possible. I've already done all of this, but I'm about to finish up and just do these little spots that I don't like. Let's do this. Now, first thing I do, I get my favorite stuff. I call it green. Then I just spray on every piece of surface as much as I like. It's perfectly concentrated, so it won't affect anything, but you want to get it really, really wet. It's completely safe for fabric. And we're gonna get our drill, and we're gonna start to see some positive effects. Man, get our drill. I'm going with a light drill. I got a better drill, but I'm gonna use this one. I want to keep it going, get that white foamy going, get that white foam. I like to go in circular patterns. Other people do it differently. I go in the circular pattern. I like it. It's effective. Now, I'm not going to do the whole length of this process. But this process, I'll probably do this about 2 more times, which I really don't have to, but I love for it to look beautiful and buff it back out. You have to thoroughly get it. Okay, so that's one part. Get a middle seat. I'm going to go back and forth in circular motion, all the way up, and then go the opposite way, all the way back down. Okay, so I'm gonna get the little corner like that. So I'm gonna grab the corner piece. This usually has a quick release, and then they just pop right back in. No problem. You don't have to hit any buttons or anything. Okay. Now I can get in front of here where I can't really get to. You have to understand, I do this over the entire car. So the length of this video will be extremely long if I actually did this right now and did it all right now. And this is why I love this tool. It's good for corner, like inside those little quick crevices like that. Love it. Between these little corners. And then go around again, of course. Very thorough. Alright, now, did not forget. Gotta pop that back off. Get our, go back to our brush. Our vinyl brush, as I call it. And do the back of this. Remember I sprayed it? You know how your kids kick it and shit stuff. Spill their little juices and milk. And that's basically how that's done. Then we get the shock vac. Turn that bad baby on. Shit. Excuse me. Me, I like to use the wide edge. I like to use the wide edge at first. Give me a second. The wide edge gives you all the suction you need. And that's what you want to hear. You can hear the change, sucking up all that clean, all that dirt. I mean, all that bull crap that we don't want. We get it all out of there. Yeah, that sound right there is what you want to hear when it's elevating. It's pulling all of the water out. Now, the most effective way I found to do this is if you have the other head, but I actually broke my head, so gotta improvise. So I have to get in and do this way. I like to go down slow. And go back up slow, same spot. You can literally see this change right before your right before. And if you really remember this was dirty, really dirty. Now, on another video, I'll show detail and I'll speed it up and let you see the entire process of exactly how I do it. But just look at the difference in that. Beautiful. You gotta get those corners, dry that out of there, suck all that out of there. And you can see the color change, sucking all the dirt out. Bringing it back to life. Just showing you how it starts. Once I get me a new brush head, you'll see exactly what it does when it has the right brush head that leaves those beautiful, beautiful lines throughout the car, throughout the seats and the carpet as well. And wait till I'm gonna do my Chrysler. I have a Chrysler that I'm about to do, and I forget what car it is, but you'll definitely enjoy it. Definitely enjoy that one. That's gonna be a nice deep clean. I'm gonna show the entire deep clean. And literally just look at the difference in just that, and I still have to go over it. Then I go up and down, same thing, same way, a bunch of times, and you will see the rest. I'll have a lot more for you. Promise to have a lot more for you in the next video. Peace.